This is a tool at AcmeTutor.com. If you go to AcmeTutor.com Fun Focus Tasks, you can see a tool like this. You can also get to it by going to Tools, More Fun Focus Task Runner. It will open up on a screen like this. What you can then do is click on this Help button here and scroll down. Click on this ChatGPT link. Open this link and type in anything that you like. Let's say, give me a list of things to do for laundry. Of course, you can do much more complex use cases like registration flows, stripes, landing pages, marketing flows, emails, anything else that you like for what you need. When you go to this custom GPT task JSON and then ask it to give you a list of things for whatever thing you're doing, you prompt it, it will create your JSON list. You copy that list, bring it back to your manage tasks, go down here, select all of this, paste it in here and hit import JSON. And here you can see now you have a do laundry task with subtasks within this. And this particular level 0 task I will skip because it's the overall task to do the laundry. The first thing I need to do is gather my dirty clothes. So now I go gather my dirty clothes and come back. There may be notes like collect clothes from hampers and rooms. Maybe there's clothes lying around. Once I'm done with the task, I'd mark it as complete. And I am now 14% done with my work by collecting all my clothes. Now I have to sort the clothes. Okay, fine. So I separate by color, fabric, and my wash instructions, and then I mark that as complete. Now I go and actually do the washing. Use the correct detergent and cycle and wash the clothes. Now I mark that as complete. And once I'm done washing, I'm now 43% done. You can see, I can see the breadcrumbs here showing that I can do laundry, and then I'm drying the clothes within that as my current step. Reminds me to clean the lint trap. And then here I can also jump around to tasks to go and see the notes if I need to. And I can see their statuses. I can see how many tasks are within this root task. There's 6 subtasks, and I'm on the drying clothes. Mark this is complete, folder hang the clothes, put the clothes away, and all tasks are complete. So this is a full sequence of things that I did to complete my laundry, and it shows 85% because I can now complete the overall task and mark it as complete to be 100% complete. So this is a simple example with the laundry. Of course, if I want to do something more complex, I might have something, let me give you an example here, that I generated with a prompt like how to get the Stripe subscription checkout flow via API creation with a trial of 3 days in webhooks to process the order and registration emails following the purchase, products and prices, etc. all need to be made via the API and not the UI. Then I copy the JSON and I go in here. Where'd it go? Here. And I can paste it all. Hit import JSON. And you can see this is a pretty complex task where I need to set up my project configurations. That has 3 subtasks. So this is more layers of tasks and subtasks. I can mark them as complete, work through my subtasks, and I can see how much of my outline I'm getting through. My progress is 5%. I can see the breadcrumbs at a high level here. Mark complete, skip task, edit the task titles, and so on. So this is a very useful tool to not forget where you are when you're working through a more complex flow in your programming, in your marketing, in your business, etc. You can also do something simpler where you simply, there's more options, but you can also just add a simple title list one line at a time and import from titles if that's your thing. I usually use this for more complex tasks, so that's the use case I showed you.